Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a couple of smart blinds that the company reached out to me. The company is called Canisteo. They did send them to me over to do a review, to do an unboxing. They come in this big box here, and there's two blinds that came in this package. I already opened one up. I'm going to take a look at the package. Going to see how they package it. I'm going to show you the actual accessories that came with it, and we're going to show you how to install it and also show you the website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Okay guys, we're over at the website real quickly. I just want to show you here. This is the actual website itself. You can see how it is. It's fairly nicely laid out. It gives you all the information here under, and this works with all types of devices, like I said. So it works with HomeKit, works with Alexa, SmartThings, Google Home, all that. So what you want to do is you want to just go to navigate to the window treatments that you want and take a look. I got the zebra, like I said, so we'll take a look at the zebra, and you can do different ones. Let's just take a look here. So I got the white, very basic white. Add that to your cart. So what you want to do here is really just look at the information. You can order it outside mount, inside mount. It gives you the information, it gives you some calculations how to mount it and things like that, like in the size. You can pick your motor. You get the standard motor, you have your Alexa motor, you have your Z-Wave motor, but they have all these different configurations, different motors. Power supply, you can use a lithium battery, you can do a hardwired AC, so if you want, a DC voltage, if you want to hardwire this, you can. And then 230 volts if you want to hardwire it that way. Different mounts, you can do inside mount and outside mount. It tells you right here. I wish they would make these bigger. It's hard to see that, and they all do the same thing, all these sites, so it's hard to see the prints. You got to kind of enlarge it to see that, and it gives you the instructions about that. You have your measurements here. So you got your width, and as you go larger, it does cost a little bit more. You can see this how this works. So let's say you are 25 inches and a quarter. And that's how you do that. And then your height is you just do your, say it's 30 and 5/8. So you can kind of figure out all that. So those are all your configurations. And then your the actual different mounts you can use, how it looks on that cassette style. That's what it says. And then you can see that. And then you have the roller rail, right? You can have if you want it the same color or a different color. The caps, they're showing you the cap here. Motor side, where you want the charging port to be, the right side or the left side. You can see that. Roller only rolls one way. That way, remote, different ones to choose. You can see I got the ones with the LED indicator. These are all additional charges. Just be aware, no solar panel or with solar panel. Solar panel is $50. Then you continue all the way down. You can add it to your cart, like you can see here. Then you can actually set it up in a room that you're working on. That way you can configure dining room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, whatever. You can label all that. So when everything comes in, it's all labeled for you.
Okay guys, I took it out of the package. You can see here it's packed. It was packed very, very well, first of all. Fantastic job with the packing. Definitely a good packing job. No damage at all in the item. So it comes bubble wrapped in bubble, as well as double box. As you saw, it had all kinds of retainers all around the box for compression areas, so it won't get damaged at all. All the sides, nothing was damaged at all. I got the white ones. So these are zebra shades. I ordered the zebra. That's what they sent me. And they come really packaged very well, like I said. And this is I have two windows I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to do one window. We're going to do the installation. I'm going to show you how to measure real quick. And just make sure you do the right measurements. That's very important. And also in the kit they give you, everything is all right here. I laid everything out. So I got the solar panel. You don't have to get that if you don't want to. I get the instructions are all in here. And the package, which is nice. They do give you a remote control. You can up and down. You can control your set limits, upper limits and lower limits on this as well. They do give you the batteries. They also have a little holder on it as well, and that also happens with the screws as well. They also give you the mounting brackets for the blind, and also, which I really find this really nice, they give you a charging cable in case you don't have the solar. This is a nice long cable, so you can plug it into any 5-volt brick, whatever you have. And that can charge this up, so you don't have to worry about, if you have an extra battery pack, you can just plug it right into the wall. And then nice long cable. I think this is like 15 feet. This is pretty long. So it comes with everything all in here as well. And the clamps are on the actual shade. Let me just show you that real quick. So the clips came mounted on the actual shade itself, just like this here. So there's 3 of them. So you can put 3 on, the one each side, not all the way to the end, go in a little bit of probably about 3 or 4 inches. That way you have room to move it. One in the center and one on the other side. And these just basically fall right in, just like you see here. This is how you install them. Really easy. It's a spring-loaded clip. And then once you have these installed, you just basically pop the shade in. You can see here how it just snaps right into place. So really easy. Very simply, just make sure you just put the pressure to push it in, release it, and that's how it locks in. And then it slides. So just in case you can just center it in your measured area. Now the measurement is really super important, guys. Just make sure you get the right measurement. Also, On another note, they did say in the instructions when the blinds were received, it's in sleep mode. So you have to unsleep the motor or wake up the motor by tapping the button one time. It'll jog once, and that means it's actually active and waiting. And they do that on purpose so it won't use any power during shipping. I thought that was actually really nice. And also I want to show you the solar panel real quick, another close-up of that. Now the solar panel comes just like this here. It doesn't look like a traditional solar panel to me. It's very different, like flat. Usually you see like the bumps on them. So this is really a nice high-tech one. It does have the 3M tape on it, so you can actually attach it to the inside of the window underneath the area, up near the top near the header. That way you won't see it. That's the best way. And also keep it charged as the sun hits it. You do need direct sun. There's a lot of limitations with that. You have to make sure that you don't have maybe a triple pane window might not work. If you have film on it or UV protection, it could be a lot of different issues that can affect that. So just make sure you're aware of that. This is a bonus if it works. I mean, we'll give it a test. We'll see how that works. And also on the back, it does say, so this is a 5-volt, 3.4 watt solar panel. That's what this is. This is going to put out 5 volts, 3.4 watts. So if you don't have this solar panel, you need a 5-volt charger, which is pretty most of those brick chargers from your phones will do this, no problem. 5 volts and 3.4 watts. So that's what that is. So that's cool. Okay guys, just a quick test here. I just am getting some voltage. You need direct sun, no question about it. We're getting about 3.6 volts. You can see that. I have it out the window and it's just catching the sun right now. I just want to do a quick test and just show you. I don't have it hooked up to the amp output, but you can see it does generate power, but you need full sun. It's just flickering a little bit, just telling me that it's just the sun is being blocked by some trees. But just so you know, that's what's going on. Okay, so when I measured my blind, it was I measured 69 1/4, and you can see here it's a little short than that, and they do that on purpose. They give you a little extra headroom on the side, left and right, just a little bit extra room. So if you measure exact, it will give you a little extra space. They do that on purpose because not every window is exactly the same width across. That's why when you do the measurements, do 3 measurements. Let me show you that real quick what I'm talking about. So when you measure a window, you can see I have the old blind up here. And you can see there is a little header space inside here. You want that space. You don't want it to be really hitting the wood because a lot of times the wood can warp and shape differently going down. So you do 3 measurements. 3 measurements. The top measurement from here to there. Then you do the middle, here to here. And then you do the bottom sill across. Okay, and you take the shortest measurement and use that because that means it has a little bow in it, whatever. If it's exactly the same, then you don't have to worry about it. Same thing from the top of your header, right here. And then you go all the way down to the bottom. Again, 3 different measurements. And you use the longest one because it could be a little bow in it or it could be a little off-centered. That way you have exact measurement. That's how you kind of measure things like this, just so you know. As you can see here, I'm actually installing the brackets right here using a drill. As you can see, I already have it pre-drilled, a bracket here. I already put one up over here. Simple enough to do. Just put I use a little power drill and just slowly just pull it up. And just get it set. I'm doing it one hand, so it's a little bit difficult. And then to get that set up, and then a bracket here. Like I said, I can use 2 brackets, or you can do the 3rd bracket in the middle if you want to. And you just basically just take it and you just snap it right in. Super, super easy to do. Fantastic, easy installation. Guys, it actually took me literally 5 minutes to put these up. I'm telling you, it was so easy. I just put the two hooks in, the 2 latches to hook them up. One here, I put 2 in because this is not that big of a spread. So I put 1 here and 1 here. It's more than enough to balance it. It just popped right in 2 seconds. And I have to tell you, the quality is excellent. Now you can adjust the upper limits and lower limits. If I want this to really go tighter up, I can do that higher up, no problem. The quality is excellent. I have to tell you, the quality is excellent. I like the way they roll up and roll down. I'm going to actually install the solar panel. Here's the solar panel here. The plug is over here for the charging. I'm going to put the solar panel right over here. It's got some light. Maybe that'll help. We'll have to see how that works over time. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and you'll see I'll do a update in about maybe about a month and give you feedback on power use and all that kind of stuff. But that's why I'm going to plug this over here. I'm going to put the solar panel right over here out of the way. That way you really don't see it from back here. You can see it kind of disappears. And actually really, really nice. Also going to hook it up to my Alexa. Going to get that going too. So we'll get that ready. It does work with the remote right out of the box. It was paired. Really easy. Let me just show you real quick. Here's down. You can just see how nicely this goes down. Now, what I love about this one, I have to tell you, and I've had other ones, that this really has a nice, when it sets to the bottom, it kind of slows right down and just sets in beautifully. I like that feature. I like the way it looks on the window. Very cool. I got the light filtering because I like the light to come in. You can get dark. I think 90%, things like that. They have all different configurations, but it's quiet, the motor. It's smooth. You can increase the speed if you want to. Everything's in the instructions, really laid out really easy, really nice quality, but you can see how luxurious they look, And you can stop them any which way. And say you want this look, you want it like that, you can just stop them. You want to go up a little bit, you can stop it right there. You just tap the remote. It's really super easy. So if you like that look, let me just show you what I'm talking about, how it goes to the bottom. Let me show you how, and the measurements were absolutely perfect. They did a perfect job. It'll slow down, watch this. I love that. It slows right down, and look how perfect that looks. The measurements were perfect. The light filtering is perfect. It looks absolutely really super high-end, guys. It really, really does. So I'm going to get this paired up with the Zigbee. I have an Alexa device. I had to use a Zigbee extension to use that. We'll get that hooked up, so we'll stay tuned to that. We'll see how that works, and so far, so good. Absolutely fantastic. We're going to set up the second one and set up the different rooms, and the remote I like quite a bit. It really works well. So hit the remote up. It's got channel 1, and I'm sure this has different channels you can change it to. Yeah, channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have all these different blinds that you can set up, and you can program into each one. Okay, that's what that's for. If you don't have a Alexa, if you don't have that kind of system, you can just use this remote, which is fine. It's actually a really nice quality remote. And probably just going to use a remote because it's just simply just to tap it and just go, put it near the wall, next to it maybe, or wherever you want. It's really, really nice. And when it goes up, watch what happens again. Really nice. It's going to go up, and it slows down when it goes up as well. I love that. And I'm going to set the upper limit because I like to go a little bit higher. I'll adjust that, and that should be good to go. Really easy, guys. Definitely going to recommend these. 10 out of 10. They came with no damage. They work exactly as 10 did. Watch this. See how they go slow? I love that. That's very high. That's super high end, okay? Great motor, great device. I absolutely love it. I'm going to hook up that solar panel, and I'll give you some feedback on that. Stay tuned. And so far, I absolutely in love with these blinds. Okay, guys, quick instructions for you. If you want to set the upper and lower limits with your remote control, all you have to do is make sure it's when it's at its highest point, make sure you lower it a little bit. So you have to lower it a little bit, stop, and then you just want to hit the upper limit and the stop button at the same time. That puts it into that program. Hold for 5 seconds. You'll get a notification. Just hit a notification. When you get it to exactly where you want it, when you're done, exit out, hit the button again for a few seconds, and that's all you have to do. So now it's in I want to adjust the upper limit. So you can see here, I want it really to tag it, get it up high as possible. I like it up, like right there. That's really out of the way. You can just see that. I like that, or a little bit lower. How high can we go? Let's see. Takes it right out, huh? Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, I like it right there. So when I want to set that limit, all I have to do again is hold the upper button and the lower button here again. Just got notification. That is done. That's already programmed. So let me just show you. So I'll lower it down a little bit. I'll stop it. Now it's going to go exactly what I configured it for. It's going to slow down. It's going to roll up, out of the way, and bam, there it is. That is awesome. Same exact way if you're doing the lower. If you want to adjust the lower limits too. Super easy. I love that, guys. This is really fantastic. And also what I ended up doing is just taking the solar panel and ran it under the grid. I did it sideways. That way you really couldn't see it behind the curtains. I plugged it in here. I tucked in the wires behind the casing, and everything is actually nice and sleek, and you don't see it at all behind the curtains at all. You see nothing. So that's over here. That's going to continue charging. I did fully charge these also when I did use them. There was no indication on battery on the app, so I didn't know, but it does blink. And when it stops blinking and it's fully green, when it's solid, it is fully charged. That's the indication that I got. That's one thing. Also on the app, I had to really work around the app a little bit. There's a couple little funky things about using it, but we'll get into that in 1 second. Let's just see how it works with Alexa. And I already did a timer on it this morning. I had it open up at 7 a.m. It worked perfectly. I got notification. They both opened up, and that really worked really well. I also have it set to close at night on a timer, which is great. I couldn't figure out how to do sunrise and sunset yet. Just try to work around the app. As you can see, I installed it also in my kitchen. You can see it's absolutely working flawlessly. I love the zebra look. It just works exactly as intended. You can see how beautiful it cascades down nice and slow. And like I said before it hits the bottom, it just slows down to a beautiful, just easy close. Again, the quality is fantastic. I love the white. The bar is heavy metal. Everything is nice quality. It's anchored quite well. The way it runs around the rollers is really, really good. I love the sheerness of this. I love the look. Honestly, it's a really high quality product. Honestly, for the money, I absolutely love it. You can just see how beautiful it looks when it's closed. And it goes to that beautiful soft close. You can see how really, really nice it is. So I definitely recommend this. This is a beautiful product. And so far, really, it's been working very, very well. And you can just see the nice finish on here, how that's nicely done, how it's made. The header is beautiful. You can change different color headers on this as well. The shear of this is really, really nice, really good for the kitchen. You get plenty of light. And the sun comes in here a lot, so you get a lot of heat, but you block out the heat, you get a lot of light. And that's what I like about the light filtering aspect of this blind. Super, super nice. And also, guys, if you have an older Alexa or an older device, you will need a Zigbee. This is like a Zigbee portal. Or a bridge, we'll call it, and this works with Alexa, this works with the app. I needed to have that because I do have older Alexas, so it would not work with my older one. You have to have a newer version, a current or a newer version for it to work without that, because they have built-in Zigbee in the new ones. This is like a $30 device, not a lot of money, whatever it is, it's always on sale. Plug it in the background, and this controls all my smart devices like window shades and things like that. This is something you might need if you don't have a newer device, or if you go with the Alexa option for the motor. Just to let you know, just some information, okay?
So you can see here I have the app open here, and I have it labeled as dining room window and kitchen window, and does have timers built into it, which is really nice. It says turn on and turn off for open and close, which is you got to get used to that. Turning on, turning off is kind of weird, but that's how they have it set up. The timers do work really well. I have it set up to open up at 7 a.m. and close at 7:30 p.m. Those work really well. Fantastic. I think they got to just fix those open and closes. I think it'd be a little bit easier just to say go open blinds or close blinds, but that's the way it is. Let's get to the rest of it.
Alexa, on the dining room window. Okay, so on closes the window. This is just the way it works. You can see it does work with Alexa though. So you say Alexa on the dining room window. It does its thing. On means turning it on, I guess, and which is down. And you can see how the sun's coming through here and how beautiful that. Look at that light coming through. How nice that is. I mean, if you like light and it's just beautiful how it looks, it's really, really nice. Let this close down, and then we'll go and tell Alexa to turn it off, and that turns it up. Alexa, turn off dining room window. Okay, there you go, turn off. So you got to get your ons and offs. It's just the opposite. So off is up and on is down. I don't know. But this is how it works. It does work. So it works with the remote, works with Alexa, and works with the app with your phone. So everything works beautifully. You can see it does work awesome. I'm definitely going to recommend these. Need some quirky adjustments with the software. Got to get that fixed. Other than that, I think the upgrades as they come along, they'll get better, and we'll get more notification and more information to really understand the language of how things work. This should be open blind, closed blind, that's kind of thing for this. That's just my opinion. That's the only bad thing. If I had to say if there was a bad thing, that's probably it. Other than that, it works. It does what it does. It charges. It just, everything works exactly as intended. And I'm definitely going to give this an 8 out of 10 just because of the software issues I see. Other than that, it's a fantastic product. I think it's a buy in my book. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. There'll be a QR code over here as well for the item if you're interested. Also down and below and everywhere else. I think it's a great value for what you're getting. They really work really well. And I'm happy so far. No issues whatsoever. All right, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.